Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use the Edit Edge Flow tool and why you might want to use it. Here we have a cylinder. It has 8 sides, however as you can see I've added an extra edge for each of the faces. If we go ahead and use the Edit Edge Flow tool, you can do so by holding Shift and the right mouse button and going to Edit Edge Flow, or by going to Edit Mesh, Edit Edge Flow. You'll see that the edges move to respect the curvature of your mesh. This can be useful when you need to quickly add resolution to your mesh and don't want to draw out a new object as it's already been UV'd or something. By default, Adjust Edge Flow is enabled and set to 1. Playing around with this setting, you'll quickly see how it works. You can see that at 0, the selected edges move to the middle of the other nearby edges, creating a flat transition. Setting it to 1, you get the maximum adjustment, averaging the edges to the surrounding ones. I use this tool often and there are tons of different use cases. Again, you can see how it fixes this misplaced edge on this sphere. Personally, I find this tool the most useful when I'm adding extra edges onto smooth surfaces and don't want to disrupt the flow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.